So learning to keep my schedule in balance is important. I can get overwhelmed by everything that's in front of me to do. Balance helps me keep my priorities straight. You know, if I say the most important things in my life are God and Nancy and family and work, my schedule needs to reflect that. Yet honestly, many times it doesn't. Nancy's schedule can get just as hectic, and working on balance is important to her too. So we've become pretty good at holding each other accountable with how we spend our time, which has been a huge step forward for both of us. Something else that helps us is taking a time out. Not the one like we give our kids or that we give ourselves in a disagreement, but a time out for us. As hard as we work sometimes to keep our lives and marriage in balance, there are times we just don't. And that's when we take the time out. It may be checking out together for a day, enjoying a special dinner together, or leaving on a weekend getaway. These timeouts are not usually planned, they happen out of necessity, and they work. These timeouts help restore balance in our lives and in our marriage. So your one thing today, commit to take a timeout together whenever you need it.